Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you're watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about society. Society, this is video number 2. As you know, this is an English vocabulary course for any English learner in general and in particular for IELTS and TOEFL students. As you know, I have covered more than 27 common topics of IELTS and TOEFL test are of common daily use. So we are now at this one, society. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. So if you have not subscribed still, please press this one, press this one, press this one, share, and look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook group. I will update you will receive updates in my Facebook group. Heritage. Heritage is a noun. It means traditions, languages or buildings of a society that have continued over many years and passed from one generation to another generation. Synonyms can be inheritance or can be legacy. Synonyms can be inheritance or legacy. It is heritage. Can be traditions, can be language, can be buildings or something similar that have been continued in our society for many years and passed from one generation to another. Synonym inheritance and legacy. Example sentences: The Great Wall of China has been designated as a World Heritage since 11th century. London has an exceptionally rich heritage of historic buildings. The Taj Mahal is a vital part of the cultural heritage of India. Okay, heritage. Belief. As we are talking about society, belief is one of the word that we can use with society. A strong feeling that something or somebody exists or is true, and its plural form is beliefs with fs, beliefs. COVID-19 pandemic has strengthened people's belief in God. When people are in a difficult time, they believe more in God. So COVID-19 pandemic has strengthened people's belief in God. Many many religions share a common belief that there is life after death. So when we die, after that there is a life. Many religions share this common belief. Common belief is also collocation. Social exclusion. Social exclusion is a noun. Social exclusion is a noun. It means when someone who is poor or is from a minority group and cannot participate fully in a society. Someone who is poor and is from a minority group and cannot participate fully in a society. Okay. The UK has made a real progress in eliminating social exclusion and unemployment. The UK has made a real progress in eliminating social exclusion and unemployment. Immigrants are subject to social exclusion because of their religious beliefs. If their beliefs are different from the majority community, so the immigrants are going to subjected to social exclusion. So social exclusion is poor. When someone is poor or is from a minority group and he cannot participate in sorry he cannot participate in fully in society. So there are some common words that we can use in topic of society. Homelessness, people who don't have their home. Homelessness, double S. Poverty. Gender roles is a role that someone plays as a male, as a female. We can use gender roles. A very good collocations to boost your score. Multicultural society, a society there are when there are many cultures in a society. Slum is a district of a city marked by poverty. Okay. Thrive is to make steady progress to make progress, that is steady. Dialect is a local variation of a language. Dialect is a local variation of language. Culture. Culture is a noun. It means there is a general. It is a general way of life, social behavior and norms of a particular group of people is called culture. Adjective we can use cultural. Instead of using again and again noun culture, use adjective form at some place. And its collocations are a cultural diversity. Collocation written here, but here are also collocations. I cannot cope with too much information. Cultural diversity, cultural heritage, cultural differences, cultural identity. These are all collocations. You can say popular culture, you can say build a culture, develop a culture, foster a culture. These are all collocations. Example sentences: our national television adequately reflects the ethnic and cultural diversity of a country. Our national television adequately reflects the ethnic and cultural diversity of a country, of the country. The sculptures of Queen Elizabeth are a vital part of cultural heritage of the UK. The sculptures of Queen Elizabeth are a vital part of cultural heritage of UK. The culture of a country is reflected in its art. Assimilate, very good word. Please note it down. Assimilate. Note it down, please, when you're talking about society, culture. Assimilate will help you to boost your score. Is a verb and its noun form is assimilation. Assimilation is noun form. Collocation is assimilate into or assimilate to something. It means to become a part of a country or a community rather than remaining in a separate group. For example, when immigrants or migrants come to a country, an English speaking country, they become part of country or community rather than remaining in separate groups in the sense of culture and clothing and these kind of things. So if they do this, they assimilate with the local community. It means adjust, adapt, not adopt, adapt and accommodate. Okay, this you know. Example sentences: many new immigrants find it hard to assimilate into the local culture. So it's very difficult to assimilate to local culture because they have their own culture. Indian immigrants have successfully assimilated into Canadian culture. There are many Indian immigrants in Canada that have successfully assimilated into local culture. Antisocial. Antisocial is an adjective. It means something that is harmful or annoying to general population is called antisocial. And other meaning is when someone who avoids spending time with others. Antisocial. That is antisocial. I don't leave too much outside my hospital or workplace or my room. I am antisocial. Collocations. But I'm not harmful. I'm not at this meaning. No, I'm not harmful or annoying. Okay, these are two meanings of antisocial. Collocations is antisocial behavior, very good collocation. Antisocial activities, antisocial habits. Example sentences: drinking alcohol and smoking in public is generally considered antisocial. If you drink alcohol and smoke in public, is generally considered antisocial. Many communities are finding it hard to cope with teenagers' antisocial behavior. Use as collocation. Discrimination, a very good word, and it is a noun. It means the practice of treating someone less fairly than others. As we are talking about society and there is discrimination in society about race, about religion, okay, about the amount of money that people have, poor and rich people. The practice of treating someone less fairly than others. Collocations can be discriminate against somebody, victims of discrimination, targets of discrimination, racial discrimination, sex discrimination, age discrimination. Discrimination on the basis of something, discrimination on the grounds of something. Example sentences would be: discrimination against women is prohibited in the UK. The MPs passed legislation against racial discrimination. The local government bans discrimination on the grounds of color. So there is not, they don't allow discrimination based on color. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends, so you can receive more videos. Okay, press bell icon also. Thank you very much.